Hello, people, my dear friends. I have a really important video tutorial for you. Sometimes, when you create very organic shapes, you may probably encounter error. I will explain what errors I was getting. First of all, I will have to hide objects which I don't need. For example, you create very advanced shape and couple tools may not work properly. For example, I had the issue with a tool chamfer, and also not only chamfer did not work. Before I applied one of the modifiers which helped me to fix that problem. I also had a problem with tool place working pivot. This tool did not work properly before I applied this modifier. Now it's working okay, but I don't know if you noticed sometimes tool was inside the polygon. I no longer have this problem because I fixed my polygon. But sometimes, I don't know if you have that issue when you try to snap your pivot to polygon. This green indicator was inside the polygon. I know how to fix chamfer and place working pivot issue. When you go to panel utilities, there's option like reset XForm. This tool will fix chamfer and place working pivot issue. I had problems with chamfer, but after applying this, I was able to fix that. After that, you have to convert to polygon. And maybe I will show you, maybe I have got a couple of my objects, which I can show you what problem was. Oh no. I have to check. Maybe I will try to do the same with heaters, because I didn't apply the same tool for my heaters. I'm glad that there are clever people on YouTube who helped me to fix that problem, because 3ds Max is wonderful tool. I didn't apply XForm modifier, reset XForm to this object. Place working pivot. Now this actually is working, okay, but I see some errors. People, I will have to check something. Now this is supposed to be working, okay? I found something. You can see this is wrong. I got, you can see what I was talking about. Now we will apply reset XForm. Convert to polygons, or even shadows are showing a different way, place working pivot. You can see I have fixed already polygon. My place tool, placement pivot, place working pivot is working fine. It's working okay after applying this tool, and the chamfer will also work okay. Wait a minute. Is that okay? Okay, that green indicator shows everything seems to be working fine. I hope you like my video tutorial. I am glad that someone on the internet on YouTube found that great tool in panel utility. Very good tool. This is similar to Blender's tool, apply scale, and another tool called recalculate normals outside. I hope you like my video tutorial. Bye. See you people. Bye.